do 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 do. It's the Pug Talk Show. Do do do. Hello and welcome to the Pug Talk Show. Do do do. And I'm your host, Steve. Today we have Pee-Pee, I think. Is your name Pee-Pee?
Hi. I love magic tricks and
Okay, first let's get on to the talking. Now, I know you really want to do it, so what's your magic trick?
Oh, you want me to do magic trick?
No, you said you wanted to do one.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Well, I'm going to make myself disappear. First, I have to take this blanket and freeze.
Okay, just a minute. I'll go get a blanket for you.
Okay.
Just a minute. You can talk to everyone.
Well, my name's Pee-Pee.
Wait, no, I'm going to take the camera with me. Jeez, that guy is crazy. Okay, I'm not mean. Stop talking, please. Need something for a blanket. Okay, let's use these pants. I got pants instead of a blanket.
Pants?
I just put it on top of you.
Oh, okay. Ta-da!
You're still there.
I know. It's ta-da!
Okay, let's just get on with the talk show. What's your favorite food?
Well, cantaloupe.
What's your favorite animal?
What?
What's your favorite animal?
Oh, I would like to say the giraffe, but I think I like kitties. They're so cute.
Okay, so,
Shut up.
what's happening? The camera's dying, dude. What are you talking about? Nothing. Okay, why is the camera dying, man? I don't know. Just finish the talk show. Okay, so, would you like to tell us something about yourself? Really special.
Well, I kind of, wet sometimes.
Okay, you wet the bed sometimes. Very interesting.
I know, and my mommy says, I should get you man diapers.
You're not a man, you're a child.
No, I'm not.
But you sure are acting like one.
I have big muscular arms.
Well, then sing for us.
Sing? Okay, I'll sing.
Man, I can't wait to see this.
Oh, yeah.
Sing good.
Okay.
Okay. If you didn't hear me, I said sing good.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Okay, enough with the singing. Okay, I think that's good. Oh. Okay, well, I really think that we've had enough. For sure. Okay, one more question.
Okay.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Day of the week? Well, I have a lot of explaining to do.
Oh my God.
Well, I really like Monday because, well, every Monday I clip my toenails.
Okay, very interesting.
Because they're all green.
What's the green stuff in them? I'm really afraid to know, but please tell me.
Goo.
What?
Goo.
What kind of goo? What kind of goo?
Goo. The goo.
Oh, okay, I have a pretty good idea of what kind of goo it is.
Goo
Now just tell us.
comes from your toes.
It doesn't come from your toes. It comes from the thing above your mouth. Okay, now just tell us another reason why you like Monday. One more, please. Please, only one.
I didn't say I like Monday. I said I like Tuesday.
Oh, okay. Here ends the talk show. It's the Pug Talking Show. Do do do.